Hello Perspective, I'm here at Dairy Queen with the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard, and I'm really excited to try it. First things first, let's get rid of all this whipped cream stuff, we don't need that. Oh, thank you. So here we go, first try of the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. It tastes like pumpkin pie. I think there's a little bit of crust in this bite. This is delicious. It's got that pumpkin spice kind of flavoring, and it's just really good. So yeah, you should definitely try it sometime. You have a good one, Perspective.